Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can add text from like Canva to CapCut PC. So I'm just going to add this one, and I'm just going to type in cute cat because the video is it's a video of a cat. That's it. You can adjust the font and whatever. I'm just going to leave it like this, and I'm just going to make it a little bit bigger. Then I'm going to select the background. You don't have to, but this is if you want to add animation to your text, like for instance this first one, and also that for this one. So I'm just going to then download it as a video, of course. And then you're just going to basically add that to like on top of your video once you've done downloading it, which this is going to take a few minutes to do. So just be patient with me, please. Then I'm just going to grab that video. I have it on my left side, and I'm just going to add it on top of the video like here. And I'm just going to simply select blend mode, and I'm going to select screen or brighten, and as you can see, creates this like really cute overlay. Maybe at the brighten one, but yeah, that is it. Super simple. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!